Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Lucca Atom75. It came into the shop because the LCD screen wasn't actually turning on. When we took it apart and tested the board, we found that the 5 volts on this 4-pin connector here wasn't showing, even though we had power coming in. So we got a replacement board. It came with a new base entirely, a new capacitor, and as you can see, when the machine boots up, it's got power, and I'm just going to demonstrate that the touchscreen works. We're going to continuous mode. I'm just going to run the grinder. Whoops. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching.